In this video, we will discuss the growth of the BPO industry in the Philippines. Currently, the BPO is one of the fastest growing industry sectors in the Philippines. It is not only encouraging economic activity and investment, but also providing the high level jobs to millions of BPO service providers with handsome salaries. The country has also surpassed India as the capital of the world's call center. For the first time, different companies from all over the world are busy in establishing the new BPO operations in the Philippines and expanding the already existing businesses as well. Europe and Asia Pacific regions are also introducing new investment plans to boost the BPO industry growth in the Philippines. According to a research, Philippines were the second position holder in the top 100 outsourcing regions of the world in 2015. Now let's check out the trends in the Philippines BPO industry. Everybody knows that the BPO industry in the Philippines is constantly adapting to a new trends and leverage technologies to meet the current demands of the clients. For this purpose, organizations are making security a top priority to avoid any kind of negative effects on this industry. Organizations are always ready to provide flexible operation schemes such as onshore, offshore, outsourcing solutions to meet the client's needs. Filipino BPO companies are also launching new branches beyond a national capital region into other cities with more updated technology and high-skilled employees. So how is the BPO industry rapidly growing? More and more super talented people are joining the industry by offering their services in call centers and other related companies. BPO industry always welcome multiple talents and almost any educational background with good command of English. That is the biggest reason for this rapid growth. Some super talented people also gave their best suggestions for the industry development. For example, as far as technology, another training that is presently being all more commonly applied is the utilization of cloud-based programming to store the information. Such practices can moderate the expense of large data storing hardware. Now let's take a look at government support for the BPO industry in the Philippines. BPO industry is getting full support from the national government, which introduces the latest policies and programs for the industry growth. Technical Educations and Skill Development Authorities successfully introduced the BPO industry related courses, especially for the voice support programs. On government level, many institutions are trying to create a good cyber security plan and digital transformation strategy as well. Such kind of technological innovations and information privacy support would be so helpful to make the industry more successful. The government is also playing its important role by enhancing the BPO business environment and providing easy registration and tax paying process to the enterprises. So now what is the offshore strategy of the Philippines? To meet the challenges and resolve the technology related issues, Offshore Strategy is constantly helping the organizations by driving its true transformation. Organizations that have launched the new plans of action throughout the most recent 20 years need a worldwide workforce to change IT services from a back office services to an advancement and development stage. However, the market today requires new organizations and methods of working, whichever most recent technique best suits the business needs. Definitely, when offshoring is done in a right way, it helps organizations to empower, expect, and be ready for the future technological changes. So in conclusion, companies from all over the world are constantly shifting their businesses to the Philippines instead of keeping them onshore due to the number of compelling reasons. These reasons include such as proficient, attractive US English accent, government support, and updated technology in the BPO industry. Philippines provide an ideal environment and full support to the BPO industry business needs to grow rapidly with liberty and empowerment that is giving a high number of job opportunities to the skilled people. If your organization is trying to grow in the industry and outsource your tasks to the top class BPO service providers, I recommend you to consider iConnect. This company has a corporate office in Canada and a development center in the Philippines. This company's main value proposition is perfect customized solutions and maximum process optimization to fulfill your business needs. If you want to watch more videos about outsourcing and offshoring, then make sure to click here on this link. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.